About to start the second half. Uttan has scored one goal. Manori needs to equalize. And there goes the whistle. Uttan started the game. They have only two people. The ball is cleared by the Manori players. Throw in for Uttan. Cleared once again. That's a good header. Manori. Oh, well, it's more like a sandstorm over here. Visibility has become zero. Uttan there in the penalty area, but cleared by Ois. Managed to keep the ball. That's a good pass. Manori once again on the left wing. Cleared away by the Uttan players. The ball goes out of play. Throw in for Manori. Quite an exciting match over here. Manori. That could have been dangerous. Well, there is a Uttan player running after the ball, but Manori manages to find his man. Manori once again into the attack, and he is in the danger area. Can't find his man, passes it to the wrong person, and here we have Uttan making a dash for it, but the goalkeeper comes to the rescue. Uttan on the left wing. There is one man on the left. He is heavily marked. Uttan once again. In the center. Nobody to pass to. Surrounded by three. And here he comes from nowhere. And the goalkeeper manages to stop the attack. Manori once again into the attack. A wrong pass. Manori playing very well, but finding it very difficult to find a man. Here again we have on the right wing Uttan making an attack. Well, the ball goes out of play. Throw in for Uttan. Headed, ball still, and is cleared away by the Manori defense. Uttan. Well, there is an appeal for a handball, and it is given by the referee. Free kick for Manori from the half line. On the right. Crosses it straight into the... Well, it was headed by the Uttan defense, and it's a corner for Manori. Not many green shirts in the penalty box. There it comes right over everybody, and I think it's another corner. Very quickly taken. Manori, well, they missed it. Once again Manori, but there is no power. Oh, that was a good one, but nicely blocked. It was nicely blocked. The shot was on target. Once again, another corner, quickly taken. Manori really desperate to get that goal. There is a player on the ground. Well, the referee is signaling for assistance. Is still on the ground.
Praise God. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the football carnival happening at YMCA Jesus Art Foundation for the 19th year. 2 years we took a break just because of COVID, and this is going to happen. This is one of the prestigious tournament in the Palghar district. We have got teams from Daman, Kulaba, Khargar, CST, and you name it, from everywhere, even from Titwala. So all the western, central, harbor, all the lines, we are getting teams out here. This is gonna be the talked about tournament throughout Vasaivira. Right now playing is OLPS Manori versus Uttan FC. The second match is between Nayanagar versus Tarun Sporting. Be ready. Thank you.
Manori once again into the penalty box. They have a chance there. Oh, it is cleared by the Manori defense. The Uttan defense, sorry. Manori once again is headed away. Throw in. Throw in for Manori. Manori really desperate. Once again, well, they are appealing, but the referee just ignores. Manori putting a lot of pressure in the second half. Oh, there is a player who is being brought down, and I think this is going to be serious. Referee warning. Manori onto the left, kicks it into the penalty area. Oh, that was nasty. That was very nasty. That was very nasty. I'm sure the referee is not going to.
Players, please note,
this is on the ground.
This is a prestigious tournament, and we are all responsible players out here. You have to play by the whistle. You have to play the game of football, which is a disciplined game. If we find you indisciplined, year after we will not take your entry. Please make this marked in your calendar. We want you all to play good football. Good football, play to win. One of the team has to win, but disciplined playing is very important in this Jesus Art Foundation tournament. Thank you.
That was a very nasty blow. Kicked right into the face. And it's a penalty kick, a spot kick for Manori, a very good opportunity to equalize. I'm not sure about whether a card was shown. Of course it might have been, but it was not very clear from here, but there's surely a penalty. Well, Uttan decides to replace the goalkeeper for this penalty kick. And here we go. And Manori has equalized. That was a very good grounder on the right side, and the goalkeeper had no clue. He didn't even move. And Manori has equalized, and the game is becoming more and more exciting. Uttan. Both the teams are equal now. Manori. Well, it was not an accurate pass, but Manori has got the position of the ball. He passes it to the left. There is a lot of pushing there. And, well, there is still argument. I think there is a little bit of a scuffle. Referee warning the players. It's a free kick to Uttan. Manori heads the ball. Manori players finding each other. Oh, that's a good pass, but it is nicely stopped by the Uttan defense. Uttan once again on the run. They have a player on the right. They have two more players in the center. The ball is crossed to the left into the center, but he still has the ball, but it is cleared by the Manori defense. It was an opportunity. It was really a good opportunity. It was a corner quickly taken by Uttan, but headed away. It's a corner again. Six defenders in the box against only three of Uttan's attackers, four of them. Corner. Uttan once again in the penalty area. He takes a shot and the goalkeeper makes no mistake, passes it very quickly. Manori kicks the ball, but nobody to take it into the hands of the Uttan goalkeeper. That ball goes out of play. No, it's still in play. Uttan having possession of the ball. Uttan in the center. They have two men there. In the center, right in front of the goal, but once again, Uttan. That's a chance. That's a chance. Well, there is an appeal for handball, but referee just ignores.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget the banner to my right. All you have to do is Instagram,
Uttan
follow
once
us,
again.
and subscribe on
In a
our
scoring
YouTube
position,
channel.
but it's wide.
10 lucky people.
And
10
that's the
lucky
end of the
people.
match.
There you go.
That's the end of the match, and we are going into the penalties. Uttan, the score stands at 1-1.
So back again, another team in penalties out here. To my right is the banner. All you have to do is like and subscribe. And you check our happenings on YouTube, and you're going to get 10 lucky people are going to get IPL tickets.
It was really an exciting match with Uttan scoring in the first half. In the second half, Manori putting a lot of pressure and eventually scoring a goal with a penalty. The score has been leveled and now we are going. The match will be decided on the penalties. Manori to take the first. Well, this is the first penalty to be taken by Manori. Here we go. Oh, and it has been saved. The goalkeeper went in the right direction and he saved it. The Manori goalkeeper under great pressure now. Uttan. Uttan has scored. The Manori goalkeeper went in the wrong direction. And Uttan leading by 1 goal in this penalties. And that's a good one. Scored it very nicely. Absolutely no chance for the goalkeeper. Uttan. Manori has changed their goalkeeper. And he has saved it. Uttan have missed their chance. And the score is leveled again. Manori to take the next penalty. Oh, that could have been saved, but it was a very quick grounder. Manori has scored that very nicely. The match is getting very exciting. Uttan. Oh, that was very good. Very cheeky. It just hit the pole and went in. Goalkeeper had absolutely no chance. It was totally out of his reach. Very close one. It hit the pole and went inside. Manori. Oh, that was a easy one. Right on the right side corner. Uttan to take the next penalty. None of the teams can afford to miss. That's a goal, a very beautiful goal. No chance whatsoever. The goalkeeper did go in the right direction, but he had very little chance. Uttan also has changed their goalkeeper now for this penalty. Manori. As I said, none of the teams can afford to miss the penalty. Oh, that's saved beautifully. Beautifully. Went exactly in the right direction and deflected the ball. And Uttan has to score if they have to be in this tournament. And Manori has to save if they have to keep their heads above the water. Uttan. Oh, he's missed it. He kicked it wide, and Manori's hopes are still revived. It was a real good opportunity for Uttan to put it inside and be in the tournament. Manori. Oh, he puts it in. It hits the crossbar, but goes in. Well, now the situation is the other way. Manori has to stop the ball, save it, and Uttan has to score. The goalkeeper to take the next penalty for Uttan. Lot of excitement. Can he do it? And he's put it in. He's put it in. The goalkeeper went in the wrong direction. Pressure is mounting on both the teams. This is really becoming a very lengthy match. Manori to take the next penalty. Oh, the goalkeeper did go in the right direction, but the ball went in. Very lucky for Manori. Bad luck for the Uttan goalkeeper. He really did his best. He could have saved it, but there was a lot of power in that shot. He was unable to deflect it outside. Though he got a touch on it, it still went inside and the goal is counted. Uttan have to score. Oh, he has scored it. The goalkeeper did go in the right direction, but could not stop the ball. Who is going to break the deadlock? Manori. Oh, he stopped it. He stopped it. Uttan has saved. Pressure mounting on the Manori team now. I think they are going to make another change. No, they have not. Uttan, if they manage to score this one, they are in. They had a situation like this before and they scored it above. Once more. And it is saved once again. Well, Uttan is really losing opportunities to win this match. They had two opportunities. Well, this is going on for a long time. I think all the players have taken their shots. It's the goalkeeper of Manori who is going to take the next penalty. And it's in. The goalkeeper went in the right direction but could not stop it. If Uttan doesn't score this one, pressure is mounting on both the goalkeeper and the player. I think there is a little bit of sand which is causing the game. Okay, that's the referee's whistle. Manori has done it. They have done it. He saved it, and Uttan will have to find the next boat.
Can we request the coach of Uttan to please join us in front of the backdrop? And we're going to tell you who the promising player is. The coach of Uttan, please come. We've been coming so many years to this tournament. We would like to have a small chat with you. So can you come, please? Please come.